All right, so if you just installed the Binance app and you're not sure where to start, yeah, I've got you. I'll walk you through how to use it step by step, super simple. First, open the app and either log in or create your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. This is where you can see prices, trending coins, and quick shortcuts. Tap on Markets to see all available cryptocurrencies and their live prices. To buy or sell crypto, go to Trade or tap Buy Crypto. From here, you can make transactions easily. Your wallet shows all your assets, what you own, how much it's worth, and your transaction history. If you want to add or remove money, just use the deposit or withdraw options inside the wallet. And yeah, don't forget security. Turn on two-factor authentication to protect your account. And that's it. You now know how to use the Binance app. Just explore it slowly, get comfortable, and always double check everything before trading.